Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Ascent key fob battery, updated. Start by removing the emergency key and prying open the fob with a coin. Carefully note battery orientation and any small parts. Use a new CR2032 battery and press it into place until it clicks. Reassemble the fob and test the buttons before closing. If the fob fails, clean contacts and retry or consult a dealer for programming steps. Now we'll walk through each step slowly so you can follow along and feel confident. Start by separating the two halves of the fob with a coin or flat tool, then remove the old battery gently with a plastic pick to avoid shorting. Inspect the contact springs for corrosion and bend them back if needed. Place the CR2032 with the positive side up, press firmly, then reassemble and test range and button response. If your fob does not work after battery replacement, check contacts and battery orientation first. Reseat the battery and try replacing with another CR2032 to rule out a bad cell. If programming seems required, cycle the vehicle ignition as per manual and test, or consult a dealer. Keep spare batteries and avoid metal tools touching both terminals at once, and store batteries in a cool, dry place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.